checking in. It's about 4:11, 4:12 now. We have 30, 52, 39, and 27 on temperature Celsius. Running 32 amps to the car, 2 mini splits. That could be variable, but I got them cranked down to 61-ish, and they'll never get there. Running our well wide open, watering the grass even though I don't need to, and I have the furnace fan on. I turned off my kitchen and another circuit that had a deep freeze on it. I think one of those came on and demanded 800 to 1500 watts and overloaded, which I'm not getting a huge overload spike due to firmware is out of the box. November of 23 I put this in.